Today I'm going to show you the 2 ways to breaking down an M&P 2.0. Show you it's clear. So I'll show you the traditional way from the first one. You take this little pin out, and this little thing right here, there's something green on it. You flip that up, then you come over here, you pull this down, and it comes off just like that. Put that back. Now, I'm going to show you the second way, the newest way, that a lot of people still don't know about. It's still on there. You pull the trigger. Oh, and it comes right off. I didn't do that as smooth that time. I want to do it a second time. So just, and boom, just like that. So it's off. Some people still like doing the traditional way, but this way is way faster. You see, just slides right off. If this table wasn't here, I wouldn't just let it fall like that, but those are the 2 ways that you could take an M&P 2.0 apart.